In primetime news this evening, recommendations for the ombudsman to get more teeth. Suspect nabbed. Police hold man who sexually assaulted his 15-year-old niece. And no bail. Beachy Stout remanded. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are you doing to prepare for this hurricane season? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines.